When it comes to upgrading your home, window replacement is one of the most impactful investments you can make. New windows don't just improve how your home looks, they enhance energy efficiency, comfort, and overall value. But with so many companies offering similar services, choosing the right provider can feel overwhelming. That's where McLean Window Replacement stands out. What truly sets McLean Window Replacement apart is its unwavering focus on the customer experience from start to finish. While many companies treat window replacement as a simple transaction, McLean approaches it as a partnership. From the very first consultation, their team takes the time to understand your needs, preferences, and budget. Instead of pushing one-size-fits-all solutions, they provide tailored recommendations that align with your home's style and your long-term goals. Another key difference is their commitment to quality craftsmanship. McLean Window Replacement works with high-quality materials designed for durability and performance. Whether you're looking for modern energy-efficient windows or classic designs that complement an older home, they ensure every product meets strict standards. But great materials are only part of the equation. The installation process is just as important. Their skilled installers are trained to handle every detail with precision, minimizing disruptions and ensuring your windows perform exactly as intended. Energy efficiency is a major concern for homeowners today, and McLean excels in this area. Their window solutions are designed to help reduce energy loss, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. This not only improves comfort but can also lead to noticeable savings on your energy bills. More importantly, their team helps you understand your options, so you can make informed decisions rather than guessing what might work best. Transparency is another area where McLean Window Replacement shines. Many homeowners worry about hidden costs or unclear pricing when dealing with contractors. McLean eliminates that concern by providing clear, upfront estimates and detailed explanations of what's included. There are no surprises, just honest communication that builds trust. Throughout the project, they keep you informed, so you always know what to expect at each stage. Customer service doesn't end once the installation is complete. McLean takes pride in offering strong warranties and ongoing support, giving you peace of mind long after the project is finished. If you have questions or need assistance down the line, their team is readily available to help. This long-term commitment is something many competitors overlook, but it's a core part of McLean's philosophy. What also makes McLean Window Replacement stand out is their respect for your home. Their team treats every property as if it were their own, arriving on time, maintaining a clean work environment, and ensuring that everything is left in excellent condition. This attention to detail may seem small, but it makes a big difference in how stress-free the experience feels for homeowners. Finally, McLean has built a reputation based on reliability and consistency. Positive customer experiences aren't occasional, they're the standard. Homeowners repeatedly choose McLean because they know they'll receive dependable service, high-quality results, and a team that genuinely cares. In a market crowded with window companies, McLean Window Replacement distinguishes itself by putting customers first in every aspect of the process. From personalized service and expert installation to transparent pricing and long-term support, they deliver more than just new windows. They deliver confidence, comfort, and lasting value for your home.